Dear followers of my reflexology therapy, warm greetings to you all. As I mentioned in my previous sessions, this area on our thumb corresponds to the brain reflex zone. It represents our entire brain, including the sides. Now, starting from the prefrontal lobe, we will apply a reflexology therapy that stimulates the whole brain, covering every region without skipping any point. Reflexology applied to the brain area helps to release energy blockages, reduce stress, restore body balance, and enhance overall well-being. Here, without skipping any part, I move to the parietal lobe area. I carefully stimulate the region from top to bottom, bottom to top, and toward the sides to ensure full activation. You may use reflexology tools to support your practice in narrow areas, but I'd like to emphasize that the most effective and sensitive results are achieved with our own fingers. Now we move to a very vital area of the brain, the pineal and pituitary gland reflex zones. This is the main control center of our hormonal systems. I work through this region slowly and attentively, like stitching a delicate pattern, ensuring no area is left untreated. Then I continue toward the occipital lobe, stimulating it gently but effectively from different angles. Next, we proceed to the transition point in the limbic system. Although this area corresponds to the neck and upper back region, it directly connects to the limbic system. The limbic system comprises vital structures, including the amygdala, hippocampus, thalamus, and hypothalamus, which are deeply intertwined with our emotions, memory, and motivation. I gently and lovingly stimulate this area, maintaining patience and consistency throughout. While working on this zone, we also activate the temporal lobe. These varied directional stimulations provide multidimensional benefits to our brain function. According to certain reflexology approaches, working the temporal lobe from both sides can further enhance balance and effectiveness. After completing all these steps, you can give some soothing final stimulations to end your session. When performed regularly, you will soon begin to feel its positive effects throughout your body. To conclude, I recommend finishing with the general palm reflex zone, the area representing all internal organs. Stimulating this part lovingly and patiently will deepen the healing impact of your session. Finally, perform gentle stroking, sweeping, and circular movements across the palm to bring your therapy to a peaceful close. Remember, I demonstrated this on my right hand, but you should repeat the same application on your left hand as well. By working both sides, you'll help your body achieve natural harmony and balance. Stay well, balanced, and peaceful. With love from my reflexology therapy.